Welcome students. Today we are going to learn linear equations in one variable. That is your chapter 2 of class 8. Students, you have learned what is algebra, what are terms, variables, constants in class 7. So today's session will be a revision of the topics which you have learned in class 7. Just a rewind. Okay, let's see. What are algebraic expressions? You know what are algebraic expressions? An algebraic expression is an expression built up from integer constants, variables and the operations. Example, 3x plus 5 or 2y minus 8. Here 3x is a variable and the variable used here is x and 5 is a constant. 2y minus 8. Here the variable used is y. 2y is a variable and minus 8 is a constant. How many terms are there in this? 2 terms. The first term is 3x. Second term is positive 5. Here how many terms are there? 2 terms. 2y is the first term. Minus 8 is the second term. So what is an algebraic expression? An algebraic expression is built up from integer constants, variables and the operation. Here this is the integer constant, this is the variable and this is the operation. Here it is addition and here it is subtraction. What is the next concept? What are algebraic equations? Students, your first question was what are algebraic expressions? The second question is what are algebraic equations? Let's see what is the answer. An algebraic equation is an equality involving variables. Example, 3x plus 5 equal to 11. 2y minus 8 equal to 6. So what is the difference between an algebraic expression and an algebraic equation? You can see that equal to sign is the difference. Here no equal to sign is there, but in an equation equal to sign is there. That is what we call as equality. What are linear equations? That is the main word in the name of your chapter. Linear equations involving linear equations in one variable. So let us see what are linear equations. A linear equation means an equation in which the highest power of the variable used in it is 1. Let us see here. 3x plus 5 equal to 1. Which is the variable used here? The variable used here is x, isn't it? Can you see any power here? No number is written here. So it means 1. That is, the variable used here is x and the power of x is 1. That means the degree of this equation is 1. Such equations are known as what? Linear equations. Okay, so what are the concepts? Algebraic expressions, algebraic equations, linear equations. Linear equation in one variable means in a linear equation you will be using only one variable. That means linear equations in one variable. The next topic is solving equations which have linear expression on one side and numbers on the other side. We have learned method of transposing to solve equations in class 7. Hope you remember that. We'll just revise it. Solve the following equations. X minus 2 equal to 7. I'll explain the same method which I taught you in class 7. Identify the variable first. Here the variable is x. 2 is subtracted here. So when you take 2 to the other side of the equal to sign, you will put plus. X is equal to 7 plus 2. X is equal to 9. 9 is the solution of this equation. What is a solution? A solution of an equation is the value which makes the two sides of the equation equal. Clear? Only if we put x equal to 9, 9 minus 2 equal to 7. If we put any number other than 9, this will be a false statement. So what is a solution? A solution of an equation is the value which makes the two sides of the equation equal. Let's see another example. Here 3 by 7 plus x equal to 17 by 7. Students, tell me which is the variable? Here x is the variable. 3 by 7 is added. 3 by 7 is added. So when you take to the other side of the equal to sign, what will happen? It will get subtracted. So 17 by 7 minus 3 by 7. You can see the denominators are same. That is, they are like fractions. So you can subtract the numerators. 17 minus 3 equal to 14. So what is the value of x? X is equal to 14 by 7. That is 2. So what is the solution of this equation? X is equal to 2 is the solution of 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 17 by 7. Hope the concept is clear to you. Let's take another example. 2x by 3 equal to 18. 2x by 3 equal to 18. We'll take 3. Which is the variable used here? X. 3 is divided. So when you take to the other side of the equal to side, it gets multiplied. 18 into 3. 2x is equal to 18 into 3. What is 18 into 3? 18 into 3 is 54. 2x. What do you mean by 2x? 2 into x. So when you take 2 to the other side, it gets divided. X is equal to 54 by 2. 54 by 2, the answer is 27. So the solution of 2x by 3 equal to 18 is x is equal to 27. Let's go to the next question. 14y is equal to 13. 14y minus 8 equal to 13. Which is the variable used here? Y. But you have a constant here. 8. 8 is subtracted here. So what will happen when you take to the other side of the equal to sign? It will be added. So 14y is equal to 13 plus 8. It's 21. 14y equal to 21. Y is equal to 21 by 14. How did it happen? 14y, that means 14 into y. Into becomes division on the other side. 14 becomes divided by 14. 21 divided by 14. Here this will not go in a proper fraction. So here you are cancelling the common terms. 21 and 14 will go in 7. So when you reduce the fraction, you will get y equal to 3 by 2. This question shows you that always the solution will not be a whole number. It can be any real number. Okay. It's not necessary that you get a whole number always. It can be a proper fraction. It can be an improper fraction. Whatever it is. Okay. Students, it's not necessary for the teacher to explain it again and again as it is a recorded video. So, if you are having any doubts, just rewind and see it again. Let's move on to the next question. This is the last question for today's session. X by 3 plus 1 equal to 7 by 15. Here you can see the variable is x. X by 3 plus 1. This is a constant. So you have to take this constant to the other side of the equal to sign. So plus 1 becomes minus 1. X by 3 equal to 7 by 15 minus 1. Here 1 is a whole number and 7 by 15 is a fraction. So what will we have to do? We have to take the LCM. Here the denominator is 1, 15 and 1, the LCM is 15. So 1 into 15 is 15. So here also you will multiply it with 15. So what will happen? 7 minus 15 divided by 15. 7 minus 15. What is that? It is negative 8 because you are subtracting a larger number from a smaller number. So negative sign will be there. X by 3 equal to negative 8 by 15. X is equal to negative 8 by 15 into 3. Where is that coming from? Here it is divided by 3. So when you take to the other side of the equal to sign, it becomes into 3. 3 into 5 is 15. So I cancelled and I got the final answer as negative 8 by 5. So what's my final answer? X is equal to negative 8 by 5. Students, so today's session was just a revision of what you have learnt in class 7. Go through all the topics dealt today. Attempt the revision test. Send your answers to the email ID. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.